Guys, magluto po tayo ng chili con carne from scratch. Joint, venture. Kaming dalawa ni partner yung magluluto ngayon. Okay. Alam ko yung pinagagawa niya. Kaya niya hindi ko alam. May talaga tayo. Intermission. Guys, maglagay na tayo ng oil sa kawali natin. Tapos yung sibuyas. Yung sibuyas. Diba? Or chili con carne from scratch. Lagay na natin lahat. Diyan na natin ang madaming ingredients. Tapos yung peppers, lagay na rin natin. Ayan. Lagyan na natin nilalagyan ko siya ng oregano guys. Para mabango. Gusto ko kasi ang oregano. Garlic granules. Garlic. Chili powder. Yan. Paprika guys. Diba? Yan. Halo-halo lang natin konti. Tapos i-set aside natin siya. Set aside muna natin. Ngayon, na natin, luto na yung mince. Luto natin yung mince, guys. Pa-brown lang natin itong mince natin. Ayan. I need to take this off.
Why? Oh, leave it. Give it more flavor.
Oh, I think. Binawas ko lang yung liquid na nandun sa guys, sa mince natin. Ayan, nag-brown na siya. Nag-brown na. Ibalik natin yung vegetable, tsaka yung chili, tsaka onion. So, come on. It takes too much time. I make my video.
It's a very good make. It's chill.
Yan. Doon na yung tomato natin, guys. Ayun yung
Chala.
kidney beans. Take over na si partner. Take over na si partner.
Oh,
You
yeah.
need to test if it's already the flavor is already good. Or you might need to put more powder.
Yeah, penny powder in it.
Special chili con carne, colorful. Oh, makulay na naman yung niluluto natin, guys. It's colorful. Huh? I put a little bit of chili powder, garlic, and paprika. You need to test it.
More tomato.
And I put oregano as well.
Need more tomato.
Yeah, I think you need more tomatoes. Tikman natin, guys. Kasi hindi pa siya masyadong malasa. Dinagdagan namin ng chili powder. Tsaka more paprika, please. Paprika. Yun lang yung mga powder ingredients na nilalagay natin kanina. Kung tikman nyo na hindi pa siya malasa, dagdagan na lang. Tapos, black pepper, ground black pepper. Yan, importante yan. Yan. I already did that. Quite a lot. And salt. Asin, guys, asin. Of course, lagyan natin
Not too much salt. Be awful.
Makulay yung chili con carne natin. Diba? So it's better to cook it from scratch.
Oh, it's easy.
Without the powder, the ready-made powder that we bought from the shop. And it looks nicer, colorful. We need yellow peppers to make it look more colorful.
And it even has green peppers, real chili con carne, and it's red.
I like my food colorful, you know. Yeah, let's try. Yeah, test. Tikman ni partner. What? Okay now? More salt?
No more salt.
No more salt, okay. Or is needed? Sugar?
It
No,
really
don't put sugar.
needs
I don't really like putting sugar on my
tomato
food.
puree. That's what it really needs.
Tomato puree. We don't have tomato puree. Forget about tomato puree. Puree. We don't have that. Forget about that. Okay, guys. Ganyan lang po siya. Tapos, let it simmer for... Kasi luto na yung mga ano natin eh, yung mga ingredients. Kasi nilagyan pa niya ng ketchup. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes lang. Para yung kidney beans natin ay excuse me. Yung kidney beans natin ay maluluto. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's cover it.
Wait a minute.
God, napa-hatching ako sa paminta. Okay na? Tastes good now?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah? More like it. Okay. Masarap na daw, guys. Masarap na. So, let it simmer for 10 minutes now. 10 minutes lang. Stir it at times, occasionally. O, yan lang po.
You hungry?
Ayan na, guys. Luto na yung chili con carne natin. Yan na siya. Di ba makulay? Yan lang po ang ating makulay na chili con carne.